Vehicle number 1, the 1955 Chevrolet Bear, priced at $30,000. Heat. This 1955 Bear is powered by a 350 small block engine topped with a 671 blower. According to the seller, the engine is in great shape. The car features a new seat and carpet. It's paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, though the seller notes that it grinds slightly when shifting into third gear. The car comes with 2 hoods and is described as being in fair condition overall. The seller is open to offers or a trade for another muscle car, located in Meansville, Georgia. Vehicle number 2, the 1988 Chevrolet C10, priced at $27,500. This 1988 C10 Pro Street truck is a choo-choo customs edition. According to the seller, the truck originally came from California, where most of the extensive custom work was completed. It features a fuel cell relocated under the bed, tubbed rear wheel wells, shaved doors with door poppers, and a Ford 9 inches rear end. Under the hood, it's powered by a 5.7L Tune port injection V8 and equipped with air conditioning. The seller notes that the custom paintwork is all hand-laid with chameleon color shift accents, cleared over for a smooth, glossy finish. No decals were used. The truck is presented with a clean title and is ready for shows or cruising, located in Millville, New Jersey. Vehicle number 3, the 1982 Buick Riviera, priced at $40,000. This 1982 Riviera has been converted to rear-wheel drive. The chassis features a chromoly back half built by R&B race cars and a narrowed Ford 9 inches rear end with 4.11 gears. Power comes from a Buick 462 big block fitted with a Dyer 671 blower and dual Holley 750 carburetors. The drivetrain is backed by a built turbo 400 transmission with a manual valve body. The car is reported to have decent paint and interior work. It runs on a MagnaFuel 300 fuel system. It can be tuned for either pump or race gas, depending on the buyer's preference. The seller mentions that the original hood and parts needed to convert back to a single carburetor setup are included. The car comes with a number of spare parts. The seller is open to offers and trades, particularly for items like a toter home, large enclosed trailer, roller tube chassis drag car, or a 700 and 800 CI nitrous drag racing engine, located in New Berlin, Wisconsin. Vehicle number 4, the 1970 Chevrolet El Camino, priced at $19,500. Heat. This 1970 El Camino is equipped with a 477 big block Chevy featuring a roller cam and 990 heads. Power is sent through a 6L80 transmission built by Pack, paired with a manual valve body. Though it's worth noting, the setup does not include a trans brake. Out back, the El Camino runs a 12 VT rear end fitted with a spool. Additional equipment includes autometer gauges, MSD ignition components, and a number of new parts, according to the seller. Located in Fargo, North Dakota. Vehicle number 5, the 1965 Chevrolet Malibu, priced at $45,000. Heat. This 1965 Malibu is powered by a 496 big block Chevy, paired with a 671 blower, both reportedly new. The car rides on a tubular chassis and features electric power steering, a vacuum pump for the brakes. According to the seller, the car has been completely gone through inside and out, including a retro stereo system with 2 amplifiers, new wheels and front tires, and fresh rear tires. Other updates include new front spindles, power disc brakes, and a 3-speed automatic transmission mated to 3.55 gears with a TrueTrack Posey unit. The rear end has also been refreshed with new seals and bearings. The electrical system has been rewired front to back. Every light, lens, and bulb has reportedly been replaced. Located in Pleasant Garden, North Carolina. Vehicle number 6, the 1941 Willis Coupe, priced at $69,900. This 1941 Willis is powered by a 502 crate engine, paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission. The rear end is a Ford 9 inches with 4.11 gears. According to the seller, this car was professionally built and shows 974 miles since completion. The body and frame are from Outlaw. The car features a fake fuel injection setup. It is equipped with exhaust cutouts, allowing operation through either zoom eyes or rear exhaust. Additional features include heat and air conditioning, 33 by 22.5 by 5 rear tires, and a calendar feature. The seller describes it as reliable and ready for use, suitable for shows or street cruising. Located in Sonaba, Texas. Vehicle number 7, the 1955 Chevrolet 3100, priced at $40,500. This 1955 Chevy, described as pro-charged, is powered by a 572 big block, paired with an F1 ProCharger. The current setup is reported to produce 645 horsepower and 571 pound-feet of torque, with potential for additional output. The chassis is based on an 80 C10 frame. The drivetrain features a built turbo 350 automatic transmission with a manual valve body, 3,500 stall converter, and is rated for over 1,000 horsepower. The rear end uses a 4.10 gear ratio and a 4-link suspension setup. Front brakes are disc, rear retains drum brakes. Additional equipment includes a sidewinder shifter, brand new Holley Terminator X system, MSD distributor, 18-gallon fuel cell, weld wheels, long tube headers, and Flowmaster mufflers. The transmission was recently rebuilt and has approximately 10 miles since the work was completed. Located in Centerville, Maryland. Vehicle number 8, the 1933 Plymouth Coupe, priced at $35,000. This 1933 Plymouth Pro Street is equipped with a 500 Indy stroker engine, reportedly producing over 600 horsepower. Power is delivered through a 727 automatic transmission to a Dana 60 rear end. According to the seller, the car features a steel body with fiberglass components. Located in Washington, Pennsylvania. Vehicle number 11, the 1976 Chevrolet Chevette, priced at $22,000. This 1976 Chevette features a tube chassis with a 4-link rear suspension, a 12-bolt rear end with 4.56 gears and a spool. The car is equipped with an anti-roll bar, double adjustable coilovers, and wheelie bars. It rides on new 14 by 32 Mickey Thompson ET street tires with disc brakes in the front and drum brakes in the rear. Power comes from a new 396 small block Chevy with 10.4:1 compression, designed to run on pump gas and producing an estimated 600 horsepower. The car is also equipped with a fresh glide transmission with brake and a Neil Chance 4500 stall converter. Under the hood, you'll find polished stainless steel components and a 12-gallon fuel cell with a working fuel gauge and speedometer. As the seller notes, the car has been featured in several magazines. The seller includes build pictures and 3 magazine features. The car is offered as a turnkey for $22,000 or a roller for $14,000. Located in Beaverton, Michigan. Vehicle number 12, the 1969 Plymouth Roadrunner, priced at $95,981. According to the seller, this 1969 Roadrunner, known as the Road Burner, was featured on Power Nation TV with Detroit Muscle. Powering this Roadrunner is a 6.4L Gen 3 Hemi engine with a comp cam shaft swap kit, topped with a Holley tunnel ram intake and twin QFD 750 CFM black diamond carburetors. The car rides on a Riley Motorsports tubular suspension and shifts through a TME TKX 5-speed transmission. It is equipped with Billet Specialties wheels and Mickey Thompson tires. As the seller notes, the build of this car was documented in detail. This car is located in Franklin, Tennessee. Vehicle number 13, the 1981 Chevrolet Camaro Z28, priced at $70,000, just ready to fire the vehicle up. Give a little idea of how it sounds. As you can see, all you got to do is do this. This 1981 Camaro is powered by a freshly built 598 Dart big block, topped with Brodix heads and a Wiant 871 blower with new dual carburetors. Power is sent through a Power Glide transmission equipped with a trans brake. The car features a certified chromoly cage with swing-outs. Out back, it runs a 4.30 geared 12-bolt rear end with Mark Williams 35 spline axles and sits on a fully tubbed chassis. Supporting components include aerospace components brakes, a fuel cell, parachute, MSD electronics, and a Mazir electric water pump. The car rolls on weld wheels and is finished with custom paint and interior work. The engine is reportedly fresh with 0 passes. The car is registered and insured in Connecticut. Located in Simsbury, Connecticut.